Everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a reliable way to stay secure online using Slow DNS, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to set up Slow DNS on the Zivpn VPN app using the UDP Custom website. I'll also show you how to create your very own Slow DNS server, so make sure you watch until the end. And hey, if you're new here, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. All right, let's dive in. First things first, open your web browser and type UDP Custom in the search bar. Hit enter and look for the official UDP Custom website from the results. Click on it to get started. Once you're on the home page, tap the menu icon, usually found in the top corner of the screen. A list of options will appear. Select Slow DNS Server. Now you'll be taken to a page where you can select your preferred server location. Choose the one that suits you best. Next, you'll land on the account creation page. Here, enter your desired username, complete the CAPTCHA, and then click Create Now. Your server details, including the server IP, port, and public key, will be generated instantly. Be sure to copy or save these credentials for later. Now it's time to configure the VPN. Open the Play Store and search for Zivpn app. Once you find it, tap Install and wait for it to download. When it's done, open the app. On the home screen of the app, check the box that says Slow DNS. Just above the Start button, you'll see input fields. Paste the username, password, server IP, and port that you got from the UDP Custom website. After adding this information, tap the menu icon in the upper left corner of the app and select Slow DNS Settings. In the new window, for the domain name, type 8.8.8a53. Then, paste the server name and public key in their respective fields. Once you've filled everything in correctly, hit the Apply button to save your settings. Go back to the app's home screen and tap the Start button. You can swipe right to check the connection log and confirm whether the VPN connection is successful. If everything was set up properly, you should see that you are now connected to the Slow DNS server through the Zivpn app. And that's it. You've now successfully created and connected to a Slow DNS server using the Zivpn VPN app. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Your support means a lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.